Okay, here we go. Are you ready?
What? What?
Okay, slow down.
What? Yeah, you can. You come over, park behind me. Park behind me. Oh!
Okay, 1,000 feet. We're going for it.
Okay, keep going, Daddy. Keep going, Alexis. Pedal, pedal, pedal. What? 4 days and she learned how to ride a bike. My goodness. And then there's Evie. Go to the casa. Okay, go see the kitties. Best daddy ever. Okay, just go around her. Steer around her.
Slow down now. Slow down so you can stop. Slow down. There we go.
We haven't mastered stopping.
Back to mama, back to mama. Here we come.
Careful, stay close, Daddy.